Hey guys, so today we're doing the third video of the day, and as you can see, my hair is coloring, and I just did that in the previous video. And in the video before that, I took off my makeup that I'm basically going to be putting back on. I know it makes no sense, but I did it for I did it for school, and then I didn't film it, so I had to take it off so I can do it again so it can look really nice for YouTube. So first off, I'm going to go moisturize my skin again. So first off, we are going to go in with NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. There we go. Like always. So now we're going to go in with this color in the Wet n Wild palette, Poster Child. So I moved my camera a bit, and yeah, now it'll be a lot closer. So I hope it's a good camera angle. I'm trying to get the close-ups, but my camera doesn't really do well with close-ups, at least not on the front camera. So I'm just gonna have to work with it. But now we're going to go in with this hot purpley pink look, or hot purpley pink shadow, and we'll just be making like a cat eye shape and an outline. So today I'm basically going to be trying out a whole bunch of different camera angles, and it might get a little bit annoying, so I'm sorry. I'm just trying to figure stuff out and see how best it works out. So I'll get right to the rest of the video. So now go in with a dense packing brush and see this nice dark purple right here, and put that right here and right here, and we're just kind of making a halo eye, but kind of not. I don't know, a little bit of both. Or now go in with the blending brush that I used on the pink and do the same thing. And just soften up the edges, maybe add a little bit more. So, yeah. So now go in with a fluffy brush and start blending it out a bit. So now go in on the same Wet n Wild palette and take this nice blue, green, teal color and just put that on the white spot. So now I'm gonna go in with some nice glitter liner and just do a basic line, or a basic wing actually. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my other wing off camera, and I'm trying to figure out what to do next. I think I'm gonna go in with this nice white in the Take Me to Brazil palette. Brush. There's a clean brush. And take this brush and we're just gonna put that as a highlighter. So now I'm gonna go in with NYX Liquid Suede and Stone Fox and just apply some lipstick. So this is a gray liquid lipstick, but sometimes it turns out to look pretty blue. Like all today it was looking like a nice denim blue, like a very cool tone blue. Not what I wanted, not gray. But I think it's just because it's old. Cause yeah, 6 months you should only keep it. Ugh, weird. You should only keep it for 6 months. And I think I've had this for a year or so. So alrighty. But you can stop the look here, and I think I'm going to. I don't think I'm gonna do the eyebrows. I'll do the eyebrows in a different look. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked it. And now I'm gonna go film the rest of my hair tutorial. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more. Bye!